What's up, everybody? Blood Dragonrider here. How you guys doing? It is Tuesday morning. I know what you guys thinking. Wait a minute, it's Tuesday morning. What's going on? Are you doing after shift? No, I'm not doing after shifts. I came into work today and found out that they don't need me, even though the agency said that just go in to work. So basically on Monday, well actually let's go back to last week. On Friday I had to go to the doctor's. On Friday I got boils. If you guys don't know what that is, it's treatable. And I got antibiotics and that, and they said that I need to get blood tested. So I tried to get a blood test yesterday. I mean, on that day, but unfortunately I had something to eat, so kind of like had no choice to wait on Monday, but I had to phone the agency to let them know that I need to go to the hospital and get blood taken out of me. So they said, okay, well don't go into work on Monday, go on Tuesday. And I was like, I said to them, you know, I will go to work when I finish, you know, when my blood's taken out of me. They said, no, just when your blood's taken out, just take a day off. And I was like, I don't want to be at home. I just don't want to be at home. I want to work. So yeah, I had the Monday off. So now today, Tuesday morning, got in and get myself ready for my shift, and then the guy says to me, oh, I think that you're supposed to be doing the dispatch. You're going to be doing dispatch today. I don't know, but I have to ask the manager. And then the manager says, who told you to come in? I was like, you gotta be kidding me. I told the manager, said that the agency told me to come in. And they says, well, we don't need anyone, we're full staff. And I was just like, oh man, so I told him that you tell me I just come all this way for nothing. He just went, yeah, you just come all this way for nothing. And I was like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. So the guy from the agency, and he got off the phone and he turned around and says, well, the only thing I could suggest is you just go home and phone the agency up in Doncaster and find out what's going on. So yeah, I have to find out what's going on. I have to phone the agency and tell them, and it says, you know, can't believe it, I just come all this way to work and find out they don't need me. Don't need Black Dragonrider. Mother. Yeah, just pissed off, and well, what can I say? There's not much I can do at the moment. I just gotta wait till the agency opens up. I think it opens at 7, so I think I've got like, what, an hour. So I've got an hour to the agency open up and then give them a phone call. When everything is going according to plan, I'm working and that, and now it's kind of like you're going up for some reason that you're going down. But this is the best thing about when you're working, when you've never been working for a long time, it gets you out of the house. You're meeting new people, half the times you could bump into a friend who you never thought that he had a job or got a job and he's working And you'd be like thinking to yourself, wait a minute, I'm not the only one who's here. I know you. And he's like, oh, you know me, I know you. Oh, nah, it's all bull. In fact, my friend is actually awake, so I might as well go to my mate's house. Anyway guys, I thought I'd just do this video because, well guys, I'm going to end this video right here, and I'll probably see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come.